The same day that I arrived in Cartagena, Matthieu arrived at the airport in Cartagena because he was coming for another 2-week visit to sail with me. So I got him from the airport and we went and explored Cartagena a little bit, and then 2 days later it was time already to leave on an overnight trip down to Isla Fuerte, which is an island just off the coast from Colombia. And it was quite a wild ride. We had a good 20 knots of wind, we had quite some waves, and Karl was really pacing along. But it was fun, we had a really great time, and I felt very confident with Karl because of the trip that I had just done from San Blas to Cartagena.
I'm not sure it's fair. I'm not sure it's fair.
We arrived to Isla Fuerte, which is also called the Donkey Island, and soon we were to find out why that is the case, because actually there's no cars or anything on Isla Fuerte. Everything is being transported with donkeys. We're exploring the island a little bit, and everyone was really friendly and nice, and we sat in the harbor town a little bit, and we were watching how all the things were being transported from the mainland to the island and loaded off the lanchas. And everything they were loading off the boat was being loaded on top of a poor little donkey, and he had to be the one to distribute all the goods throughout the island. We changed the anchorage because it was a bit rolly. Changed to another rolly anchorage further down in the south, and we stayed 2 days in Isla Fuerte and had a really nice time. From there we moved upwards to the island of Tintipan, and on that trip it was really great because now the day trips are going really well. So actually we took some time and we started a wood project whilst we were on the way, measuring for a shelf that I wanted to build, and sawing and sanding. So that was really great to have a floating workshop and to see that actually you can use the time on board for doing stuff. And well, then in the evening we got to Tintipan, but more about that next week.